guess there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
Details about two of Xiaomi's upcoming devices, the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro, have reportedly leaked out. Also, the display protecting glass has of Mi 10 leaked via /leaks. The company is probably planning to announce the smartphones soon, and it could be at the Mobile World Congress Expo, towards the end of February. The more humble Mi 10 is said to be using a 6.5-inch OLED screen with a 90Hz refresh rate. It could support either 8GB or 12GB of RAM, according to a report by GSM Arena. The main camera could use the new Sony IMX686 sensor with a 108MP resolution along with a 20MP, 12MP and 5MP cameras for ultra-wide-angle, telephoto and depth. It will reportedly support 40W wired, 30W wireless and 10W reverse charging on a 4500 mAh battery. Coming to the bigger Mi 10 Pro, it is also touted to pack a 108MP primary camera and 48MP, 12MP and 8MP secondary camera sensors. It's said to have scored 125 points in DxOMark's camera rating, where the Mi Note 10 has a score of 121 points. A 4500 mAh battery could be packed with support for 66W wired and 40W wireless fast charging. The Mi 10 will supposedly be available in either 8GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 256GB, or 12GB plus 256GB configurations. Whereas the Mi 10 Pro could come in a 12GB plus 128GB variant at a price of CNY 3,799, approximately Rs 40,000. Two more configurations including 12GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 512GB could be planned at CNY 4,099, approximately Rs 42,200, and CNY 4,499, approximately Rs 46,300, respectively.